You know, sometimes the biggest, most powerful ideas are hiding in plain sight. Today, we're going to uncover one of those secrets that could totally change how you think about communication. And we're going to do it by looking at just one single, simple word.
So, what can one little word really teach us? Well, it turns out a whole lot. The word we're going to put under the microscope today holds a fascinating clue about the very foundation of clear and effective language.
And here it is. The word is offer. I mean, think about it. You've probably said or heard this word a dozen times this week already, right? But tucked inside this everyday word is a really cool lesson about language. Let's break it down.
Okay, first things first, let's just take a closer look at offer. We all feel like we know it, but looking at it with fresh eyes, well, that's the key to unlocking the secret it's holding.
So, to really get what's going on here, we have to start with the basics. You know, like a lot of words in English, offer is a bit of a shapeshifter. It can play two different roles in a sentence. It can be a thing, a noun, or it can be an action, a verb.
Let's start with the noun. When offer is a noun, what are we talking about? Well, our source, the Simple English Wiktionary, puts it perfectly. An offer is when you say you'll do something or give something. Basically, it's a proposal. It's a concrete thing you can make and someone else can accept or reject.
And here's a perfect example from that same source. In this sentence, the offer is that specific thing right there, the $5,000. It's a tangible proposal on the table. Pretty straightforward, right?
Now check this out. Here you can really see that shift from a thing to an action. On the left, you've got the noun. That's the proposal itself. But on the right, you've got the verb. That's the act of presenting it. It's the doing part, you know? It's when you're actually putting that idea out there.
Okay, so we've got the grammar down. Noun, verb, got it. But that's not the real secret. Not even close. That was just the warm-up. Now we get to the really cool part. Why this simple word is actually so special.
So if you were to look up this word in the Wiktionary, you'd scroll to the bottom and see these categories. And yeah, they make perfect sense. It's a noun, you can count offers. It's a verb, it's a regular one. Nothing shocking here. Or is there?
Look a little closer. Tucked away in that list is this weird little code, BE850. That doesn't look like the other categories at all, does it? So what on earth could that mean? Well, my friends, that is the secret we've been building up to.
So what is B850? It means that the word offer is on the basic English 850 list. Now, this isn't just some random tag. This means it has a membership in a very, very exclusive club of words.
So what is this list? It's this incredible set of just 850 essential English words. It was put together way back in the 1930s by a linguist named C.K. Ogden, and his goal was amazing. He wanted to create a simplified but still totally functional version of English that basically anyone in the world could learn fast and use to communicate any idea.
And that brings us to the big idea here. Why does any of this matter? Who cares if a word is on a list of 850 words? Because it proves that the secret to powerful communication isn't about knowing a ton of fancy, complicated words. It's about mastering the core.
So here's the bottom line. A word like offer shows us that a small core vocabulary can be incredibly powerful. This list, Basic English, it's a fantastic toolkit for new learners, but it's also a masterclass for all of us in clear communication. It's proof that you don't need complicated language to talk about complex ideas. You just need the right, simple words.
And get this, there's one more layer. Offer isn't just on this special hand-picked list. It's also one of the 1,000 most frequently used words in the entire English language. So it's got this 1-2 punch. It was chosen for its usefulness, and it's something we all use every single day.
So that leaves us with one final thought. We've just seen how one simple word can teach us this huge lesson about the power of a core vocabulary. So the real question is, for you, what big, important, or complex idea could you explain if you challenged yourself to use only the simplest, most essential words? The answer might just surprise you.